on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put over LBC. Over LBC. I put over LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the wave we ride. I've been grinding through the nights while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. How's everyone doing? Hope you're doing well. It is Thursday, April 9th, 2026 at 10:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, coming to you live from somewhere in West Tennessee. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a fantastic Thursday. Tonight we're going to go over what we always go over. We're going to go over Bitcoin price action, recent price action. We're going to go over a couple of trades that we were talking about last night. And then we will have some fun. It is Thursday. One more day until the weekend, which means it's party time. What's going on? Let's go ahead and say good evening to people in the chat. What's going on? Alan, how you doing? Thank you for being here. And we got 666 here. How are you two doing? Hope you're doing well. And yeah. We're doing okay. We're doing okay. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get to the charts. Batman. Potential Batman in play. Will the sweep of the highs be the top, the local top? We'll find out soon. Where are these other late fools today? I didn't say it. I didn't say it. They'll be here. People will show up. Don't worry. There's other streams going on. I get it. What's going on? All set? What's up, fam? How you doing? Thank you for being here. All right. So we've got potential Batman. We do have a 4-hour fair value gap right here that we are bouncing off of. We did not even touch the middle line. So there is some bullish continuation hopium here. However, we do have momentum kind of dying as we get the push, two pushes here to the upside, and a third right here on the sweep of these previous highs over here. So bearish divergence, yes. Also, failure to close above golden pocket on the 4-hour and on the daily. Multiple. However, again, daily fair value gap. Pierce into it. Pushed up. Failed to continue though. So I think tomorrow, Friday, current candle, Bitcoin needs to get another push and close above. Consolidate. Where's Sunday? All the way. Sunday open right here. Is it going to go sideways this whole time? Probably not. So we'll see. We'll see. We're still being dominated by the wartime headlines. Therefore, if negotiations fall through, then yeah, I think we'll see downside, continued downside. What's going on with your eyes, bro? Why are they like moving and stuff? What's going on, T.I. Joe? How you doing, my friend? Thank you for sending over the Bingo Bango crew. Bingo and a bango. Appreciate you, fam. Also, we see buy volume, or just volume in general, slowing down in this general area. However, a push to the 786 at least isn't out of the question. And if we get a push and get above the 886 and close, well, then we can consider potential for more upside. And we're not getting overlapping waves. We're bouncing off of highs. But if we do start getting into this range again after leaving it, then we'll probably move back to the downside. So Bitcoin still has a lot to prove to me, but it's doing a good job of making me believe that it can continue up. Getting a push off of session VWAP right now, so looking good currently. Rejected the 50, pull back to the macro golden pocket. We'll see if it can get a push here. Do have money flow coming to the upside, and we have momentum trying to get a bounce above the 50. And it might get it. Golden pocket is right up here at $72,522. So let's see if it can get up there and see what it does. See if it'll reject it or what. Potential here for a push up. Momentum barely pushes up. And that gives us bearish divergence potential. So we shall see. Volume matrix coming down. Power bar fading, but just generally. Golden pocket retracement. Hello? What's going on? Dave P, how you doing? Thank you for being here. Trade Intuition Raid, what's going on? T.I. Joe viewers, friends, family, how you doing? Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me this evening. If you're just now joining the live, or if you've been here this entire time, go ahead and do me a favor, if you wouldn't mind, and hitting that like button. Number one way to support the channel as always. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that sub. I think you will enjoy the channel, myself, and my friends. Great group of people, if you ask me. I think I've attracted some good ones. We could get up there. We could get up there. Like that break. Wiki fresh. What's going on? Bingo bango. Oh, hearts. All the hearts. What's going on? Smooches, David. Thanks, B-Team. Snoochie boochies. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm so glad tomorrow's Friday, guys. Not that it's like been a long week or anything, really. It's just tired. Old trend lines become new resistance. Is that the phrase? I like to move it, move it. Brown, 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 brown. My eyes are like super dried out. Tired of winning? Oh, I'm so tired of winning. So tired of winning. Let's see if I can find the trade from last night. This is a blowfin chart, so I do believe it's on the Bybit chart. Shared this one last night during the stream. Did you catch it? Did you catch the wave? Stream last night was right here and here. We were looking for the pullback to this demand zone. Got away from us for a second, but ultimately found its way back at 10:34 a.m. today, and then whoosh to the upside. Looking good. Also, we can go over to one of these watch lists. Was it Blowfin? Bybit? Blowfin? Where is it? E&J. Bybit? 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 Oh. So we, last night, were watching this thing pump. And I marked off. I need to zoom out. I marked all these highs over here. Let me get chart only, please. There we go. And we were about right here when we noticed the chart. And I marked off these highs and was like, let's wait for these highs before you take a short. Before you consider taking a short. And sure enough, took the highs and a move pushed to the downside. Poof. 1 hour closed below all three of the levels. Pushed lower. That would have been a telltale sign. Should have been. Now this low, however, did not come down and break this low. But it will be interesting to see if this does do an ABC to take that low. And then see if it can get a 5-wave move out of here. If it does that, then E&J might be on a bull run, which would be crazy, but not completely out of the question. It could also go ahead and bounce here too. It doesn't necessarily have to put in that type of ABC correction, just as long as it is an ABC correction. Let's put an anchor VWAP at the high. Yeah, average price by volume is around here. 0.322. So we can look for a potential push up here and see if we reject it. If it does reject, like wick inside and then close below, we have a sandwich right here too. Yeah, I would look for that to get tapped. Fixed range volume profile. All the way up here. Now look at this. Got volume increase right here. Move this over. Bam. 0. Oh, let's go ahead and put a golden pocket. Ooh, 786 right there at the value area high. But anywhere in this range, we look for reversal on the 1 to 3 minute. So I would look for, if it's going to push, first we look for potential rejection of the swing high anchored VWAP, and then we have the golden pocket just above that, and above that we have the 786 and the value area high. So if it gets a push up there, lower time frames, I would want to see a push down, and I would want to see a break of the last low, retrace, short, stop loss, watch it fall. So that's what I would be looking for potentially here for ENJ. This type of formation is what I'd be looking for after sweeping any highs, hitting any of these points of interest. This type of pattern is what I'd be looking for. The push up, and then the break of the internal low here. Let me take this off. So yeah, the push up, come down, take the low, and then a retrace into, typically it's going to be either into a fair value gap or an order block. So that is what I would be looking for. Typical topping structure, and of course, if we bring up an RSI or anything, let's see, let's go to 15, or anything. Do this, go to the 15 minute. Let's bring up the relative strength index. Was that some? I like to move it. Yes, that was. I like to move it. Oh yeah, relative strength index. Okay, so if this gets a push up and slows down up in our area of interest, and RSI is getting a big push, our momentum is not matching our price action. We are creating another low as we are breaking into overbought, I guess, being overextended in the move, even though we're not breaking highs. So it's showing that there's not a whole lot of strength in that move. Now, if it does break the highs, which these are pretty close to being equal highs here, if it does break the highs, we're still going to be looking for the potential of another bearish divergence. So if it does decide to push, remember, any of these levels, this high, this value area high in 786, the golden pocket, the 50, and the swing high anchored VWAP, these are all points of interest where I look for reversals. So that's it. So if it does this move after taking any of these levels, then that's when I'm looking for the short. And yeah, it's pretty much how I do it, how I do my things. How I do my things, man. Smash up those likes. Much prefer that. There we go. Okay, so essentially looking for this. This would be a pretty big area of interest, though, for me. We've got this push here. I mean, we've got order blocks. Potential. I mean, these are relatively equal, man. Those are pretty close. Those are pretty close. What's that 1 minute look like? We don't have to get them now. But I do think those are highs that we might want to get taken. And if we actually zoom out a little bit, let's remove these fibs. Let's move over here. Maybe the 1 hour would be better. Charting the crap out of E and J right now. I mean, we do have the golden pocket right up here. If we take from this high to this low, pull fib from this high to this low, what level are we potentially bouncing off of right now? Those are some relatively equal lows too. So, 786, failing to get back above golden pocket. Interesting. Yeah, I'd lean more towards more downside with temporary push to the upside. So still looking for this no matter where it goes. If it wants to go all the way up here, that's fine too. And those are equal highs, so yeah, could definitely see it. Now it could also give us a Judas swing pattern. Accumulate, accumulate. This is accumulation. This is your manipulation. This is your distribution. So it all lines up right there. Money flow coming out very hard on the 15. So E and J potential swing short. Because that would be a 15-minute entry. Okay, let's go over. Let's take a look at oil. Oil did get a pump today and then a dump. We do have Israel and Lebanon apparently, allegedly. I guess they're in a ceasefire and they're in diplomatic talks. So that's good. Beanie Man. Hello, pre-rich peeps. Hello, Dusty. What's going on, bro? How you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Well, Money flow coming out on the 1 hour for oil. Still, I mean, we're leaving so much here. That would be nice. Golden pocket, of course. This is what we need. Remember, we called 55 2 weeks ago. Why? Of course, the equal lows. That's why. It's coming. It's coming. I'm telling you guys. Don't believe me? Good. Because you're supposed to do your own research. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. But if you do want to learn how to trade, I have an affiliate link for you for the Alexo Crypto Discord. Join it. Link will be in the description from now on. But for now, I'll have to post it in chat. And I guess in the comments. Let's see. Where's my stream? I'm gonna post it real quick.
From now on.
Okay. Let's see. Maybe it was too real. Who knows? Nope. That's the link for my stream. Don't need that at the moment. Let's see. Here we go. Copy, and paste. Much faster than last night. LBC OG. Melissa One Love in the house. How you doing, my friend? Good evening to you. So yeah, we do have the equal lows down here for oil, and I think we'll get there eventually. Now or later, I think we'll get there eventually. Let's pull a fib. Hello? Are you gonna... It wasn't like snapping. You know how it does with the magnet? All right. Wait, where is this high? Oh, you're not on the high. No wonder. All right. You gotta zoom in, apparently. So annoying. Okay. All right. Macro 786 for oil did get hit twice, double tapped. Probably poor wording for the context. But yeah, that push to the upside would get us into a daily fair value gap. Right there. Nice push. It's also an inversion fair value gap. So, yeah, inverted, daily, FVG, push up, pull down. I think we could see that. Pulled back, down, retrace, bam. Take out equal lows. Go back to oil. That's not oil. Go back to oil. Down, that was a big crash. Retrace, pull back, retrace, continuation. Well, the equal lows are down here. They're much lower on oil. And yeah, and that was a rejection of 0.114. Oh, I was looking for the pullback down here. Okay, hold on. I bet it's going to be pretty close. Brown bone. Oh wait, this one. Oh yeah, rejection of the 786 instead of the 886. Usually a rejection of the 786 and a close below, particularly, especially on the daily, is usually a pretty bearish scenario, signal. So gold did get that pull back. Now we're going to see if it can get the bull flag breakout. Or does it need to come down and sweep that low first? I think it's getting, it looks like it's getting a bounce off of this demand zone. Pull back, retrace, take out equal lows. Now we can get a continuation to the upside. More gold upside. Come on, let's do it. Let's go. NVIDIA, what are we doing over here? This is one of the craziest. I mean, it definitely looks like a topping structure. But I do believe I saw something recently where this is kind of more of a bullish continuation. No, I found it on another chart. Was it the Bitcoin chart? Apple chart? The Russell? It's almost like this. Maybe it was the Dow. I think it was the Dow, actually. Not quite that. Looking for it. Looking for it. Yeah, I don't see it. Where is it? Oh, this is... My bad. Weekly? Because I'm pretty sure it was on a high time frame. Okay. I don't see it. Dagnabbit. It's because I'm on... Oh, that's why. There it is. I was on linear. My bad. Yeah. Kind of looks like this, except actually this is more like... Maybe not quite. Let's see. Let's go back to NVIDIA. Nothing like... Oh, well. I know I've seen this type of pattern before. That's okay. We don't have to go digging for every single pattern that we remember. ABC. Tesla. Tesla's like... I don't know, dude. Is this almost looks like Wyckoff distribution, maybe? Buyer's climax. Your up thrust after distribution. Except maybe it's called something else on anyways. Push up thrust. No, this would be your up thrust after distribution. Or your spring. And then pull to the downside. Potentially. We'll see. Let's see. Let's zoom out. Let's give us some indication here. Maybe it was real to real. I totally lost track of time. That's okay. Hola, mi amigo, saying hi from San Jose, Costa Rica. What's going on, Meet Damien? How's Costa Rica? I bet it's gorgeous. Just like all the people in the chat. All gorgeous people. There's two ways to take this chart. Probably more than two, but potential bullish triangle. Come down. We do have some equal lows down here. Maybe come down, sweep. It would need to do it actually quicker. Like it needs to like dump so that it can take those lows and bounce off of this support level and then get another push to the upside, which it absolutely could do. This was pretty similar pattern over here. Move down, break the high, pull back, can't break this high, pull back, can't break this high, push down, push, push. Tesla to 1,000. But first, 200, 213, 211, 213. Fixed range volume profile on here. Let's see. Who trade? Put a 1 in chat if you trade tokenized stocks. And if you do, what do you trade? Do you trade the ES? Do you trade stocks? Like individual stocks? The NQ? Do you trade Bitcoin? Do you trade, what do you trade in general? But put a 1 in chat if you trade tokenized stocks at all. Or commodities, gold, silver. What do you guys trade? And I will look at that. I'll start looking more towards those things. Do you trade a bunch of altcoins? I don't particularly trade altcoins all that often. That looks kind of... What is this, Atom? Ah, I longed Atom on this push. This is why it's in my watch list. It's not bad. Watch out. If we get a break, drop down to the 15. Do have equal highs, so I think it'll get a break. It does have equal, yeah, it's got some equal lows too. And down here. Ooh, might be careful with this one. This might be a fake out breakout. This might be a fake out breakout, as I like to call them. All right, there you go. There's the lows. And are these even equal highs? Not really. Wait, oh, there's another high. My bad. Might be pretty close, relatively equal highs. All right, there you go. Yeah, I mean, with there being two down here, I think we'll see. I think we would get, let me get rid of, well, yeah, I'll get rid of that. No, I'll keep it. Because if we do break below these, take this, these equal lows, what I'd look for, maybe a bounce off of the VWAP, come up, sweep the equal highs, fake breakout, come down, take those equal lows, retrace, take those equal lows, retrace, can't get back above those equal lows, or at least can't close above, reject off the previous support, flip to resistance, and get a continuation down. At the same time, let's go ahead. It's much easier to see bearish divergences with like a RSI. So it's already showing weakening momentum in here. This if that got a push up, this would get a push up. We'd see how strong that would be, and could get lower high while putting in a higher high. Bearish divergence. We'd also be putting in a more macro higher high, and that would be even more macro bearish divergence. So also kind of it's actually more like Bart Simpson-y. Less Batman, more Bart. Bartman. It's kind of Bartman. Which was a character. Believe it or not. Money flow is green, but you can see the momentum dying down on this as well. Even if it does get to push up here, it could just top out and put in a lower high than back here, and that would create another bearish divergence. Just more confluence there on the bearish divergences. Again, sweeping equal highs, and on the lower time frames, again, for me, it's we push up. This I would be dropping to the 3. Look for a push off of the VWAP. Get a push. I could also see it actually. I could also see it coming down here. So same concept. I want to see the push. If it can like maybe create some kind of high in here. Let's go to the 1. Want to see either this low swept or a bounce off the VWAP or this low swept. Either way, I'm looking for the same thing, even this low. And that's going to be, let's draw out. See if it does something like this. Takes the low, pushes up, breaks the last high, pull back. We can pull back into a fair value gap, an order block, or bounce off the high, and then look for the continuation, equal highs, then we'll look for the same thing. Of course, during that continuation, you're doing this. Break, break, pull back, boom. Boom. Maybe not that aggressive, but you get the idea. Also, overlapping waves. Not good. Push down. Overlapping waves that lead to a sweep of highs, equal highs. Even better. Or worse, depending on how you look at it. So that's the idea. That's the idea. Well, that's the big idea for me. If it doesn't just go ahead and roll over. But equal highs up here kind of suggest, I mean, it could, I mean, if it does roll over overnight, we could see the swing, whatever, if there's a swing high in here, swing, break, pull back, push, and then take the equal highs. So no matter what, still looking for the same pattern on the lower time frames. And yeah. See if everybody can. No. Well, I'm going to look for this. Okay, something like this. We'll see how it all turns out. I would be entering here, stop loss at the high, down to the equal lows. Ride the waves to the downside. I have traded silver on Blowfin. Heck yeah. Hoping to scoop up some Tesla in the 225 range. Well, if it gets to 213, you'll definitely be able to get it at 225. They even had a Bartman song. Oh yeah, they did, didn't they? Agua. So that's the big idea for Atom. Ethereum, pretty much same concept. Retrace. Does it have any lows to attack? I mean, potentially this low. Golden Pocket retrace. Also an apex, maybe. Let's see. I'd say probably. Hold on. Stretch out. Apex is the central point. Of a triangle, which is basically right there. We also have, look at these rejections here. Bam, 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 boom, 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 boom. Finally, get the sweep, come down, break the low, retrace, continuation. Yes. If not that, this is going to be typical Ethereum, and it's going to do some ugly pattern that doesn't make sense. But actually, if I go back, why are you taking so long to load? Even when I'm not streaming. TradingView it's not been nice to me this week for some reason. What was my big idea? I had a big idea. Oh. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 wave structures, especially crashing structures. Then you get an A, B, C, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that would create an ABC. If I counted this wrong, potentially a 7, 3, 5. Not typically. Typically, you get like a 5, 3, 5. So is this wave correct? Technically, this did not break the high, but we do have relatively equal highs, so... Oh, not really. Those are pretty. Yeah. Yeah, I really hate charting Ethereum. I just don't like it, man. It is never ETH is the one asset that I've never liked have ever liked trading. I've tried it a few times. And I just don't like it. Oh, pushing to the downside. Getting a dump ski. Into 3-minute fair value gap. %50 retrace. Golden pocket. This is also an IFVG inverse fair value gap. Midpoint. We're going to bounce off the midpoint of it perfectly. So you come down, you create that high, push, push, break, pull back, continuation. So that's what I'm looking for here. Look for the reversal. Drop down to the 1. What time is it? 9:51. Holding the midpoint so far. Come on. Come on, close up here. Come on, close up here. Get above the session VWAP. Oh, it's Ethereum. I forgot. It's not going to do what I want it to do. Oh, there's a bullish engulfing. We'll give it a shot. I don't really like it, but rules are rules. And rules got met. Might come down. That's okay. Currently rejecting that session VWAP. Not in my favor. That's okay. Golden pocket. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Come on. We do have some relatively equal lows down here at about 21.83. See if it wants to take those before potential reversal. $20 trade. Actually, technically, $100 trade. Leverage. Leverage. Do have some equal lows right here, so. And a fair value gap. I have seen price bounce off of a lot of little consolidation ranges that look like this, though. After a push, push, come back down to that range. Ah. Push, push, push. LOL. LOL. Could have been a nice bearish play, too. Look at that. Bear pennant. Got a bear pennant. Ooh, you're gonna take me to the 786? I'm on the 30-second chart, by the way. Let's leave the spaghetti on the chart. What is this? Trading with OC? Shout out to OC. Haven't seen my guy in a minute. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. If you were gonna bounce It's going to be somewhere over here. You know, in hindsight, probably should have waited for that. Whoopsies. Hindsight is 2020. My hindsight is 1819. I think that's good. Not entirely sure. I haven't been to an eye doctor in a very long time. I think I was like maybe 13. So 25 years ago. NASDAQ. False break. Push down. Come on. Bitcoin. What are we doing here? Boom. Sweep. Retrace. Roll over. What happened to my Batman? Did I delete it? I might have. Oh well. Batman. No, 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 Batman. Sorry, I know energy got a little low there for a little while. I'm doing the best I can, guys. There we go. Batman. Okay, getting a little delirious. It is the end of the stream anyway. I hope you all had a fantastic week trading. If you didn't, maybe consider joining the affiliate link in the description down below. Alexo Crypto affiliate link down below. Joining his Discord. Get access to like 6 traders. I think 6 traders. And myself. I mean, I have my own free Discord as well, so join that if you would like. And yeah, become a wave rider by hitting that subscribe button. Like the stream on your way out if you don't mind, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content and when I go live. I did the weave, but we brought it back, kind of. Anyways, tomorrow is Friday, so that is giving stranger a compliment day, a genuine. Be genuine, please be genuine. Don't just say something just to say something. Mean it, because you never know. If you say, "Hey, I like your shirt," that person might be like, "Yeah, what about it?" And then you're just like because it wasn't genuine. You were just doing it to do it. Be genuine in your kindness. Okay? Be authentic. Be the amazing person that I know you are. And yeah, just have a wonderful Friday, guys. Next week, a little bit of an update. On Thursday, so the last stream, what is usually the last stream of the night, is my wife and my oldest will be going to, I think it's, I don't know, maybe a country concert. I'm not sure. They're going to a concert. So I'll be here at home with the boys and will not be able to stream. So next week we will have a stream on Friday night. So we'll have a Friday night stream next week to make up for the missing day. This was my wife's suggestion. Mrs. LBC. And of course, we will oblige. We want them to go out and have their fun, have their them time. And yeah, so that's what we'll do. Anything else? We are very close to what you call it, 3,000 watch hours. Well, we've already surpassed it. We've gotten even further. Before this tonight's stream, we were at 3,038.9 watch time hours. I'm just waiting for the other stuff to update and show that most of those are valid watch hours. I don't know what makes them invalid. Not really sure. But maybe they're bots watching or something. I don't know. But yeah, so hopefully over the weekend, by the time we come back Sunday, maybe we'll be monetized. I don't know. If we do, Sunday might be a joyous show. I think next week, I don't know how long the application process takes, so who knows? I'll have to look that up. But yeah, if it's sometime next week, we could be monetized as soon as Sunday, or at least have super chats and memberships as soon as Sunday. Already have emojis ready to go, ready to be deployed for the members. What should my lowest membership price be? $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. $1 to $5. I know you're gonna say 1. I was thinking at least 2. I don't know. I have to think about this stuff now, apparently. So yeah, I don't know. We'll look at it. We'll think about it. Gotta think of maybe some kind of perks. $2.99. There you go. $2.99. Oh, okay. Thanks, One Way. $5 million trade. Heck yeah, let's go. Trade, yeah. Gets whacked in the head, or they reply. LBC $3. Well, it's $2.99. So maybe I'll do like what, 3, 5, 10, 15. I don't know. I have to look at it. I don't know how it works. So I'll be finding out soon, though. Be finding out soon, I believe. And be prepared for some potential waterworks. You know, I don't typically do that publicly, but what did I just find? Is this real life? Oh wait, that got swept. Maybe the relatively equal lows right here won't destroy us all. Here, 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 and here. Ruh-roh. Maybe we'll come back for those another time. All right, guys. I hope you all have a fantastic, wonderful, beautiful, amazing, radical weekend. I will be back live Sunday night, right here at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, bringing you the charts, the markets, the news, and everything that you need to know. Because knowledge is profit. Oh wait, that's not my line. That's Piper's line. Anyways, I need to go. I need to sleep. Should we do moon gods tonight? Let's do moon gods. If I can find it. Moon gods, moon gods. I think it might be under Lunar Beaches. If I can find it. Documents? Documents? Nah? You said nah? No moon gods? Oh. Really? Are you hating? Why can't I find the daggum files? Oh my gosh. People dropping out like flies, and I get it. I understand why. Where is my Lunar Beaches? Oh, wait. I found it. I think. There it is. Moon gods. Nearly gone? How about both? We'll do moon gods, and then we'll do nearly gone. All right, guys. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. And an even better Friday and weekend. Mad love. God bless. I don't know which one of these is the correct file, so I'm going to start one. And I need to turn on the desktop audio. I just realized that. Yeah, love you guys. See you next time. God bless. Ride the waves. Bye. Uh-oh. Hold on, time out. Was that double audio for you guys, or is that just mine? Because I hear two audios. Good night. Thank you, thank you. I was getting two audios in my headphones. Please let me know. Hurry before everybody leaves. Audio check. Mic check. Not sure. Let's try again. Global settings. Hold on. This is not good. Damn it, all set. Wait, maybe this will help. Okay. Okay, let's try again.
On the chart like a priest in the zone, praying to the wicks and the candles tone, sipping that slippage, feeling that foam. My portfolio flex like it's holy promo. Sacrifice fiat, selling the pump. Altars of alpha, wallets get plump. Lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed. Now I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains. Light up the sky, burn off our chains. the gains. Eyes wide shut, undefine with the play. Spirit in sync with the market's phase. Confluence hit, I go full send. Lambo dreams that never end. Fibonacci carved in stone. Sacred trend lines, bullish tone. Chart prime whispers in my ear. Take the trade, release the fear. Burn the down, cleanse the wind. Let the dip be real quick. Oh, moon gods, bring us the gains. Gains, the bulls break all our chains. To the moon with crypto flames. Oh, moon gods, bring us the gain. Eyes on the chart like a priest in the zone. Pray to the wicks and the candles tone. Sipping that slippage, feeling that foam. My portfolio flex like it's holy promo. Sacrifice fiat, summon the pump. Ultras of alpha, whales get plump. Lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed. I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh, moon gods, bring us the gains. Gains that the bulls break all our chains. To the moon with crypto flames. Oh, moon gods, bring us the gain. Oh, moon gods, bring us the gains. Oh, moon gods, bring us the gains.
Bills pile high like Judgment Day. Glass half full, but it's drained away. House lights flicker, almost dark. Echoes of kids' laughs haunt the yard. Cold calls and threats drown out my pride. Wife's eyes say you're barely alive. Worked every day till I had no fight. Still watch my world slip out of sight. And every door slammed shut on me. Hope felt like a dying dream. Pressure dragging me below. One spark left, flicker, glow. I was nearly gone, swallowed by the day. Everything I love, slipping far away. But I held that line, shaking hardly strong. I broke and bled, but I still held on. I was nearly gone, nearly gone. But I clawed my way back by dawn. They say a man's worth in what he earns, but broke don't mean your fire don't burn. I saw the edge, I felt it call, stared down the void. Friends turned ghosts when the money died. Lost faith in me, but I stayed alive. Rock bottom showed the truth in scars, so bright as seen in the dark. One breath left, one last demand. Stand up even if you barely stand. Edge of ruin, razor thin, but broken bones grow strong again. I was nearly gone, swallowed by the day. Everything I loved, slipping far away. But I held that line, shaking hardly strong. I broke and bled, but I still held on. I was nearly gone, nearly gone. But I clawed my way back by dawn. Face the fear, don't bow, don't drown. Pressure I choose now? When the world came to take it all, I stood up, I did not fall. Bruised and scars, still breathing. Edge of hell, but still reaching. Hold on. Found my flame, I lost myself and came back changed, pulled from the